This is the Bimini, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, optional 4th bedroom, 2-car garage. And this has a golf cart garage. Now this is a more narrow entryway walking in with a single door, but wide entryway. Front bedroom. I like this, it's off to the side. Privacy. Pretty full bath. This is an optional den or bedroom. Ooh, nice size laundry room. I love this. I love it. Place for junk. Full bath. This is another bedroom with a closet. Love the random storage in the hallways. It's great. And, ooh, a little wine cellar. A little more formal dining. And kitchen. Ooh, I like these cabinets. This is a pretty color. It's kind of like grayish. Nice backsplash. And here we are in the kitchen at the sink. Again, open floor plan. We have formal dining, nice size living area, and a small eat-in area. We have a lot of covered patio space out there. We'll get there in just a second. This model flows nice. Primary bath, getting a little bigger. 2 sinks. Keep telling you, it's the key to life. This is a larger walk-in closet with some built-ins. This is definitely an upgrade. And this is the primary suite. Nice size. We're probably in the 14 by 16-ish range. I like it. Can we walk through this way? Back out again. Primary suite off the living area, but it's off to the side. Lots of covered patio out here. Great for entertaining. And then of course they put up a sail system for more sun coverage. Peaceful, nice, beautiful. Come join us.